Hi guys, how are you? Today we have learned about how to set navigation bar. Hide navigation bar in Infinix Hot 8 phone. First of all, open your phone and go to setting and go to system navigation and see three options here. First one, 3 button navigation. Second, 2 button navigation. You can access from buttons here. This is gesture navigation. You can access. Choose first of all gesture navigation. Your navigation bar is high now. We can access without a navigation bar from same area, same location in display, phone display. Everything like same that, but you cannot see your navigation buttons from here. And if you don't want navigation gesture, just click 3 button navigation and you can see now return to back navigation button. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.